Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add a FoodPanda voucher on your FoodPanda application. So in order to do that, first thing, open up the FoodPanda app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are logged into the home page of FoodPanda, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. Inside the account menu, click on Vouchers. Click the Add a Voucher button at the top right corner, and then in the text box that appears on the screen, type in or paste in your voucher code carefully. After you are done typing it down, click on Save at the bottom, and if it's a valid code, you will then be able to add the voucher on your account. So that's how you easily add a FoodPanda voucher like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.